Good day, sir. This is Ace Montuerto from Biscrim Charlie, uh, discussing the parts and functions of polygraph machine. The first one is a pneumograph. It's a medical device designed to record the rate, rhythm, and depth of thoracic movements during respiration. Frequently used in polygraph tests, this sensor, typically a rubber placed around the chest, measures expansion and contraction, offering a visual representation of breathing patterns. The second one is cardiosphygmograph. It's a component of a polygraph machine that measures and records changes in a person's cardiovascular activity, specifically blood pressure and heart rate. It consists of a blood pressure cuff, usually placed on the upper arm, and a pneumatic system to record tracings. A galvanograph is a component of a polygraph machine that measures and records changes in a person's skin resistance or sweat gland activity, known as the galvanic skin reflex or electrodermal response. It utilizes electrodes on the fingers to detect stress-related physiological changes. The fourth one is a chemograph. It's a device or software tool that produces a two-dimensional space-time plot to record and visualize dynamic, moving, or changing phenomena over time. Traditionally, a rotating, soot-covered drum recording physiological signals, modern digital chemographs analyze time-lapse microscopy images to track organelle transport, protein interaction, or cellular movement, providing high temporal resolution. The fifth one is galvopen. A galvopen setup uses a high-speed fiber or CO2 laser system equipped with galvanometer scanners to engrave, mark, or etch design onto pens with extreme precision and speed, up to 7,000 millimeters per second. It often utilizes rotary indexers or specialized jigs for batch production, commonly marking anodized aluminum, metal, or wood surfaces. And lastly, cardiomodule. Generally refers to specialized software or hardware components for analyzing cardiac data such as ECG, heart rate variability or HRV, or imaging. Key applications include AI-powered cardiac CT segmentation, real-time, high-throughput cardiac function monitoring, and educational 3D anatomical visualization.